Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning this window behind me because I don't have an excuse, but I need to clean this window behind me. Actually, I need to clean almost all my windows in this house, but I already cleaned the one in the guest bathroom. Now I'm going to clean this one in the spare bedroom. I just want you to see how we do it here. Yeah, that's why I got it. So I have with me my mask. I'm going to wear this to keep me from inhaling the dust. And yeah, let's clean the window behind me. I'll just show you what I'll be using. And this is for dusting because some part needs to be dusted. This to clean. Paper towel, my towel for the outside part. So let's clean this window. Just clean it. I'm going to wear this. That one is clean. Now I have the upper one to do. I need to pull that one down as well and clean it. Now this is where the challenge comes because I am not tall, but I'll do it. Yeah. So I have both windows open. Now we're going to clean the second one. second one is clean too. Now it's time to put them back up. We have this sieve net here to prevent the bugs from coming on the inside. So I'll not touch that one. I'll just put the windows back up. Let me wipe up there a little bit, and then I'll put this ones back up. Thought it was very dirty, but to my surprise it is not as dirty as I had thought in my head. I'm just going to do this carefully, that way this dirt doesn't fall on the clean windows. Again, I'm just going to do this slowly. Yeah. I have to be very careful because down here we have two windows. Any one mistake and we have to replace the windows, and that is very expensive right now. So let's just be careful. I think we are good here, guys. So let me put back the windows up. This is another point I have to clean. Yeah. It's clean now. We have space up there, we have space down here, so I'll just drag this one down. Until it gets down. So the next thing is to wipe this base here. Yes, I'll just use my towel, dry towel that is. It has become so dirty, but it's fine. The base and everything is okay. So I'll just leave the blinds up for now and leave that opening up there to blow in some air, and later on I'll come and pull this one, pull the blinds down, but I'm not going to mess with it right now. So that is how you clean your window here in the US. I know I'm used to pouring water. Yeah, I'm used to pouring water, but that is how I clean my window here in the US. It's very much simple than the way I'm used to doing it. So that's my window, guys. It's perfectly clean. You can see through it. So guys, if you like the video, please remember to hit that subscribe button and remember to like the video as well. Until next time, bye bye.